Well, today, grab yourself some 80-20 ground beef, pat them out to 3.2 3-ounce cow balls. Get you a couple onions, mandolin them up real fine, and grab you some Muenster cheese, because I like the Adams family. And you got to have that salad to make this burger healthy, and some potato buns. They're just like really good on burgers. All right, what else do we need? Guess we're going to need a griddle. Get these babies cooked up, and some MOJO salt. Link will be right here. You don't know how to make it. And some good old Jack Daniels Tennessee whiskey. I can't take credit for this idea. I got to hang out with a pretty cool fella this weekend. He brought it up. All right, let's get them started. Put down a couple little pats of ghee, just for a little lubrication. Get her spread out. Lay down a couple handfuls of those onions. Sure none of them escape there. And put them cow balls right in the middle of them. We'll hit it with that MOJO salt, which is also seasoned. A little bit of Jack. And make sure you get enough, because I'll probably forget to season the other side. Now we're going to pour out a few shots for our homies. Talking about our homies here, I guess we're talking about dead cows. All right, look at all that steam. That means it's safe eating for young children. The smell is amazing. Now, just smash the bejeebies out of them. Get both of them real good. We're going to let them roll for a minute and a half or so. You see all that good old juice rise up to the top. Kind of like me. I'm rising to the top slowly but surely. And give them a flip. Them onions, look, you got a few crispy ones. You got a few not crispy ones. They're just all over the place. That's what we're looking for. Now, as soon as you get them flipped, make sure your drywall tools there don't have any goodness left on them. Throw on that Muenster cheese. The top bun that goes up there, get a little steam on. And for the bottom bun, we're going to put that salad on it. Set her over here for about, 30 seconds. That way you have a little toasty action on the bottom. Oh, look at that stringy goodness. Alrighty, so it's been, about a 3.5 minute cook. Gosh, that's hot. And we are done with this burger. Now all we got to do is give her a little taste. Let me tell you, this right here is good. Got that, the Jack taste, not too strong like if you'd made a Jack sauce. It's just right. And that gooey cheese. Ooh, you got to love that Muenster. This is awesome. Please give it a try. Alrighty, that's it. I'm going to do my little dance. I appreciate you. MOJO is out.